Today I will talk about how can you select type of shares charts on your web app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on money down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on settings here. When you just click on settings, so then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on chart settings, you just click on it here. So then you come to next step here, come here to type of charts, and here can you select type of your charts if you want to add advanced charts or simplified charts here. So that's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.